So sit in a comfortable position and close your eyes for a moment. What you want to do is begin to find your relaxation point. The way to do that would be to breathe in deeply and to gently let go of your cares from the day. Let go of your anxieties or your hopes for tomorrow. Commit to yourself not to let any emotional residue to carry into this exercise. Open your eyes, pick up your mirror and begin to stare inside the mirror. Visualize within that mirror an alternate version of yourself, an alternate version that is giving a presentation to others in a supremely confident and engaged manner, without any fear, full of life and energy. As you see this alternate version of yourself, make the picture of this alternate you become very crystal clear. Then what I want you to do is I want you to pan back from the picture in the mirror. Don't put the mirror down, just pan back, sort of like a camera in a movie scene, and dissociate from it, meaning that just view it sort of as a movie that's happening. Notice how your alternate version of you that's confidently giving a presentation, notice how they're standing. Notice how they're walking if they're on a stage. Notice their facial expressions. Notice how they're laughing and engaging. Perhaps notice how they're handling challenging questions. What is their breathing pattern like? Observe this as if you were observing a movie. And at this point of the exercise, it's not uncommon for people who are doing this for the first time to sort of lose their focus at this point, and that's fine. If that happens, just go back to seeing the alternative version of yourself within the mirror, and then begin to recreate that movie by panning back and seeing that alternate version again, giving a presentation to a group of strangers and doing it with magnificent confidence. And as you're noticing how confident they are, you're intrigued and you want to see, how are they breathing? What's their breathing pattern like? What are their facial expressions? How are they holding their posture? Are they laughing? Are they making eye contact? Are they really engaged? And again, you're watching this as a third party, as if it was on a large movie screen within your mirror. And as you're in awe of your alternate version, the one that you see on your movie screen inside that mirror, as they're engaging with others and they're speaking confidently with zero fear, go ahead and in your mind's eye take a bold step into the mirror and right into the shoes of your alternate version. So now you are associated with the movie. It is no longer a viewing experience. It is a real experience. And you are adopting all of the traits and all of the characteristics that you just witnessed this alternate version exhibiting. If you saw the alternate version of yourself standing up and presenting on a stage and using their body language, then go ahead and stand up now. Whatever it is that you saw your alternate version during your vivid image, during your theater of the mind exercise, whatever you saw them doing, then go ahead and adopt those characteristics. Take them on. By going through this mental practice within your mind's eye, effectively what you are doing is you are training your nervous system to respond in an appropriate manner. Because remember, your nervous system cannot tell the difference between an event that really happened and one that you made up vividly within your mind. The same neural pathways begin to light up. I urge you to practice this exercise, this theater of the mind, for the next 30 days straight.